Hello friends, this is Jigar Shah from System Level Solutions. In this video, I am going to cover about the Training Simulator Communication Hub SKU installation and its app usage. The Training Simulator Communication Hub is used to provide training to an on-field engineer for installing the communication hub with meters. There are two types of TSCH available, SKU1 and SKU2. In this video, I am going to cover the SKU2 type. As you can see over here on the top, there is a CHF ID and a GPF ID, and on the bottom you have various LEDs indicating the status. On the left side you will have the battery case, and on the bottom you will have the IC HSI connector to connect with the meters. It provides a 12 volt supply to the communication hub. If you do not have the meters, you can still turn on the TSCH using the 9 volt battery. Pull out the case, install the battery and pull it again. After doing this, turn on the switch provided on the top. It will flash the LEDs for 10 seconds. It indicates that TSCH is working. Now we will move on to the iOS app to connect the TSCH. To connect, first of all we will tap Settings and go to the Wi-Fi. Enable the Wi-Fi. It will list the CHF ID under the available network. Tap it, it will connect automatically. On successful connection, press home button and tap TSCH SKU icon. It will start the application, listing the information along with help and start button. Tap on help. It will display the information about the LEDs and its various states. After going through the details, tap on back button to go back to the previous page. Now tap on start to start connecting the TSCH hardware. As you can see over here, it has listed the CHF ID which we have connected. Tap on proceed to start syncing the scenario which is there on the TSCH hardware as well as in the app. On successful syncing the scenario, it will list all the scenarios. Tap any of the scenario to start running on the hardware. As soon as you tap start, it will start running the scenario on the hardware, as you can see over here. After successful running the scenario, tap on stop button. It will stop the scenario. On the same window, you can see on the top the battery icon indicates that the TSCH is running on the battery. There are two more options, hub and help. We will tap on hub. It will display the information about the hub which we have connected, that is the SSID, its type, its firmware version, uptime, scenario found and running scenario if any. Along with that, there is a disconnect button which used to disconnect the connected TSCH. It will take us back to the same screen which we have seen on the application startup. Now we will tap on help. It will display the same information which we have seen earlier. So in this way you can use the app to test the TSCH connected or install on field. Thank you so much for watching this video.